Hi friends, welcome back to Happy and Healthy Life. Today I'll show you a healthy grilled chicken meal recipe. Friends, it is an authentic grilled chicken meal recipe with easy steps. I hope you love to make it again and again. Okay, let's start with the recipe.
Take a mixer jar to make the marination. Pour 3 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add some salt, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1½ tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now blend all the ingredients and make a paste. Time to add this marination to the chicken. Make sure that the chicken is really well coated in the marination. Now keep aside the marinated chicken for at least 30 minutes. While chicken is getting marinated, we can make a boiled salad to serve with this chicken. Take a 1 teaspoon of butter and brush it well. Now add the boiled vegetables. Add ½ teaspoon of salt and ½ teaspoon of black pepper powder. And saute the vegetables for 1 minute. Now to make the grilled chicken, heat the grill pan and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil on the pan and brush it well. Now put the marinated chicken pieces. Fry the chicken pieces until they are golden brown. Now brush olive oil and honey mixture. chicken meal with a piece of bread, veggies and sliced eggs.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications of my videos. Thank you. We'll come back soon with a new recipe.